मोदी सरकारान हालींच 3 वर्सां पुराय केल्यात. ह्या कालावधीत दहशतवाद, नक्षलवादा अंतर्गत सुरक्षा या बरोबरूच परराष्ट्र धोरणाबाबत सरकारान सामकेच चुकीचे निर्णय घेतल्यात. देशाच्या सीमा भागात दहशतवादान तकली वयर काढल्या. शेजारच्या देशाबरोबरच देशाचे संबंध बिगडत चल्ल्यात असो आरोप महाराष्ट्राचे आमदार आणि अखिल भारतीय काँग्रेस कमिटीचे सचिव अमित विलासराव देशमुख हांणी केला. आरडीएक्स ब्युरो.
I, on behalf of the All India Congress Committee, want to draw your attention to the just completed 3-year Modi rule in India. The NDA has just completed 3 years, and the state of affairs of our national security has failed tremendously on every front. I mean, they are going gaga over their rule of 3 years, and our national security is endangered. India's security, I mean, there are incidents such as Pampore, Uri, Pathankot. We have failed at every front, but the government does not seem to be looking into these failures, and they are tom-tomming on their 3-year rule, chest thumping, the TV studio warfare that is going on. But the situation at the borders is alarming, and the internal security is at threat. I mean, as much as 172 terror attacks in last 3 years, 12 major terror attacks in the past 21 months. I mean, there are incidents in Dinanagar, Gurdaspur, Indian Army Convoy Srinagar Highway, Army Convoy Pampore, Nargota and Samba, JNK, Kupwara Army Camp, JNK. I mean, the list is long. And civilians, policemen, army men, all martyred. And